Hello guys, are you also in stress to knowing black fungus in COVID pandemic and thinking about God or nature just playing with you and your life? Well, don't worry too much about it. Just know about it and be stress free. I know you people having lots of questions about it, such as what is a black fungus or even what is a fungus. Is black fungus found only in COVID patients? What is the symptoms of a black fungus? Is black fungus is life threatening and many more questions. You will got all the answers of your questions in this video. Just do some common safety measure. Tell in this video. Be stress free. So watch this video till the end. And now start this video. Let's get started. The fungi is a heterotrophic, saprophytic and parasitic organism. That is, it depends on other animals and the plant for their food just like us. Some fungi are good for our health and some are cause diseases. There are variety of fungi are found around us in our daily life. For commonly saying, there are hundreds of fungi are in contact of our body, but some are microscopic. That's why we can't see them. It is very common. But now we are knowing about bad fungi, which is cause a negative side effect on our healthy body. It is commonly found in soil, plant, manure and decaying fruits, vegetables, and even in the nose and mucus of a healthy people. It affects the sinus, the brain, and the lungs, and can also be the life-threatening in diabetes or several immunosuppressive individuals. That is, people who having low immunity, such as cancer patients, people with HIV or AIDS. So now you are knowing that it is not just infect COVID patients only, but it can infect common person also. So always put mask on your face when you are in contact with dust, dirty places such as toilet, and wash your hand and do cleaning of your body thoroughly. Our body kills thousands of bacteria and fungi daily through the antigen and antibody mechanism to increase the strength of our body to kill the pathogen. Now we are knowing more about how other diseases lowers our immunological responses, such as diabetic patients who having high blood sugar that create acidic environment in their body, that is diabetes ketoacidosis, and right recipient for the rapid growth of their organism in their body. And also the reduced immunoresponse. Also, the patient which taking steroid medicine increases the blood sugar level and decreases the immunoresponse of the body. Blood malignance, which again result in the defective immune system. Patients on immunoresponse low, as seen with a recipient who having a organ recipient. Patient with excess iron or taking iron medicine. Patient who having a trauma, burns and other people. This is all detailed video about the black fungus. So don't take much stress and just know some symptoms about black fungus. The common symptoms of black fungus is headache, fever, pain and pain under eyes, nausea, sickness, partial loss of visions. This is a common symptoms. Scientists and the doctors finding solutions about it, so don't worry about it too much. Just stay healthy